Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so it is a new year, and with a new year comes new goals. And today I am doing my cleaning habits and goals for 2018, which includes a few different things that I want to try to be better at this year. So I wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by the Grove Collaborative. They are a scheduled delivery service, and I basically schedule my deliveries every month. I've been a customer even before we ever partnered together for my channel, and I love them. I pretty much get everything from cleaning supplies to feminine hygiene products, beauty products, products for your kids from brands that I trust like Seventh Generation. And there's just so many options, and then it's delivered to your door. You can change up your order every month, so I customize it, and I always get great things. If you're a new customer and spend at least $20, they're going to give you a free gift with purchase if you use my link below, so be sure to check it out, but let's jump right into some of my goals. One habit that I've been trying to implement and I think is worth continuing in 2018 is speed cleaning. I find it to be very helpful, which is basically just setting a slotted time. If I feel like in the day I have 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, I set a timer and I go and don't stop. Or hopefully that's the goal, is that you don't stop and you just clean. So I start by organizing and just getting everything in its place, and then I clean as much as I can, and I try to get to the floors and whatever the room is. So for instance, right now I'm doing the kitchen. The kitchen wasn't crazy messy, but I had 20 minutes to get it as clean as possible. So I moved things around, cleaned on the counters, I did a load of dishes, and I tried to get it as clean as possible. And then I also went into the living room. I had time to quickly run in there and get everything organized. And so yeah, after 20 minutes, the kitchen and the living room were pretty clean, I would say. I was happy with it, and I just went as much as I could for 20 minutes, and then I was done. I almost never clean the whole house in one day. I seem to clean in segments. So I clean the rooms whenever nobody's in them. So Oliver just started school, so I just clean up. We clean up together before he goes to bed at night, but vacuuming and things like that and fixing his sheets and bedding, I did that when he was away at school. So I set a timer again and just went for it, and that's the same for Isaiah's room, the guest room, and my bedroom, my bathroom, all that. So yeah, setting a timer, going for as long as you can, and then when you're done, just being happy with whatever you were able to get done in that time frame has been really helpful, and I always get more done than I think I can in the time frame that I choose. So I highly recommend trying that out. One thing I definitely want to be better about this year is to simplify my routine, my cleaning routine, and also just the amount of products that I use. And one way that I've really been doing that is by experimenting with concentrates. So this is the 7th generation laundry detergent concentrate, and it has 66 loads in that smaller bottle. So it's just hopefully less waste in the long run. I also ordered the concentrates from the Grove Collaborative. When I saw those on the site, I knew I wanted to try those out, and I knew I would love them, so I got the glass cleaner and I got the all-purpose cleaner, and they basically come in these little small squeeze bottles. So I ordered the reusable glass bottle with the silicone around it, and you just take the concentrate, you squeeze it into that bottle, fill the rest up with water, give it a nice little shake, and then for the all-purpose one, you can use it everywhere. I used it in my bathroom for my bathtub and also for my floors with my steam mop. I also want to note that the smell of this is extremely pleasant because it's essential oils and not artificial fragrances, so it's not going to give you a headache. I get a microfiber cloth probably every other order, so every other month, and I clean the floors with the all-purpose cleanser with my steam mop, and then I use the microfiber cloth to clean the bathtub, and it just smelled so lovely and subtle, and it was just really beautiful. So that segues me perfectly into less harsh chemicals and strong fragrances. This last holiday season, we all got the flu, and there was lots of disinfecting products around the house, and I felt like they were just really strong, and it was irritating our respiratory systems just to be using that. So I ordered the 7th generation collection, the disinfecting counter spray, and also the spray, which is perfectly safe to use on kids' toys. It said right on there that it's meant for that. It's made with essential oils and much more natural ingredients. It's not overpowering in its scent. It's not nauseating. You can use it all over, and especially for flu season, just having that around, I feel like, is beneficial. So anyway, those are kind of my goals for the next year, is to keep it simple, less harsh chemicals, try more concentrates, and yeah, if you want to try out Grove Collaborative, use my link below. So all the details will be in the description. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.